Forget everything you thought you knew about the Roadster segment. This isn't just a car, it's a statement, a revolution wrapped in a cloak of pure, unadulterated aggression. Standing before us is the rumored and now realized 2026 BRABUS Mercedes-AMG SL63, a machine that takes Stuttgart's finest open-top GT and launches it into the stratosphere of hyper-exclusive performance. BRABUS, the masters of bespoke automotive madness, have once again wielded their magic touch, creating a vehicle that demands attention not through volume alone, but through sheer, overwhelming presence. From the first glance, the transformation is immediate and visceral. The already sleek lines of the SL are now accentuated by a symphony of lightweight carbon fiber. Look at the brutally effective front splitter, designed not just for aesthetics, but to devour the air and pin the nose to the asphalt. Follow the contours to the menacing air intakes and the bespoke fender vents, all sculpted by BRABUS to optimize cooling and aerodynamics. The iconic Panamericana grille remains, but it's been darkened, given a shadow world treatment that whispers of the power lurking beneath. And of course, the stance. It's impeccable. The car rides on a set of massive, signature BRABUS Monoblock Z Platinum Edition forged wheels, filling the wheel arches perfectly, a visual promise of the mechanical grip and relentless thrust that awaits. The ducktail spoiler at the rear, also in high-gloss carbon, completes the visual package, a perfect marriage of high-speed stability and visual drama. But the true spectacle lies beneath that sculpted bonnet. BRABUS doesn't do subtle tuning. They rewrite the laws of physics. They've taken the formidable 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, designated the power plant with their famed rocket treatment, and unleashed an estimated 850 horsepower and over 950 pound-feet of torque. This isn't a mere upgrade. It's a ground-up re-engineering, featuring new turbochargers, a high-performance exhaust system, and proprietary ECU mapping. The result? A breathtaking 0 to 60 mph sprint time that will likely dip well below 3 seconds, propelling you towards an electronically limited top speed of over 200 mph. And that sound, the unmistakable, deep-throated roar that only a BRABUS V8 can produce, a sound that shakes the very pavement and serves as a primal soundtrack to your drive. The custom-tuned suspension ensures that this immense power is manageable, transforming the SL from a GT cruiser into a corner-carving apex predator. Step inside, and the BRABUS ethos of performance luxury is unmistakable. The cockpit is swathed in a breathtaking, handcrafted mastic leather interior, likely in a deep obsidian black contrasted with vivid diamond-stitched accents, perhaps a fiery red or a bright blue, unique to this specific build. Every surface, from the steering wheel to the door panels, feels bespoke. Carbon fiber trim replaces standard wood or metal, bringing a motorsport feel to the opulent cabin. Even the floor mats and door pins carry the illuminated BRABUS logo, a constant reminder of the exclusivity you are immersed in. This isn't just a place to sit, it's a personalized, high-performance sanctuary where no detail, no matter how small, has been overlooked. It perfectly balances the brutality of the engine with the comfort required for a transcontinental cruise. The 2026 BRABUS SL63 is more than a car, it's an experience. It's the ultimate expression of Mercedes-AMG's engineering prowess filtered through the uncompromising, maximalist vision of BRABUS. It's for the collector who understands that true luxury is defined by scarcity and true performance is measured in extremes. This is the top of the automotive food chain. If you want a car that will turn every drive into an event, a car that lives on the edge of performance and luxury, then this BRABUS monster is your destination. Let us know in the comments what color you would spec yours in. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of elite automotive engineering.